Hello students, in this video we will learn about how to convert a binary number to hexadecimal. Okay, so now you can see here I had created a table and I had written the hexadecimal numbers which range from 0 to 15. So I have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and in hexadecimal 10 is written as A. Then this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, this is 15. Okay. And in front of each of the digit, I had written the binary conversion of that digit. Suppose this is 15. So 15 in binary is written as 1111. Okay. So suppose we have a number, binary number 1010111010, and we need to convert it into the hexadecimal. Then you will have to start from the extreme right hand side and you have to group these digits in a pair of 4. So 0101, 0101. This is the first pair. Then we have 1101, 1101, and then 0 and 1 is left, so we'll write 0 1 and we'll add two zeros on the left hand side. Now if we see 1010, so we'll find 1010 from this table. So we can see 1010 is here, 1010. So we'll write the corresponding hexadecimal number which is written in front of it, that is A. Then we'll find 1011. So you can see 1011 and B is written. We'll write B. And 0010 is 2. So we'll write 2. Okay. So that means the binary number 1010111010 when converted to hexadecimal would become 2BA, and the base is of hexadecimal is 16. I hope you would have understood it, how to convert binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so now I'll rub it all. Now we will learn how to convert hexa to binary. For that, let us take a hexadecimal number. Suppose the hexadecimal number is 9F2. 9F2, and the base is of hexadecimal is 16. Okay. So now we have to convert it into binary. So what we'll do is we'll write these digits 9, then we'll write F, and then we'll write 2. Now from this table you just see the hexadecimal digit. So it is 2, and in front of 2 it is written 0010. So we'll write 0010. Now see what is written in front of F. It is 1111. So we'll write 1, 1, 1 and 1. And in front of 9 it is written 1001. 1001. So the hexadecimal number 9F2 would get converted into binary 1001 1111 0010, and the base would be 2. So this is how hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal conversions are done. Okay, I hope you would have understood it. Kindly practice the questions which are given in your book, and the rest of the material for the chapter number 1 will be posted soon. Thank you.